Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to listen to music from a USB drive on your PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So that is right, you can listen to music off a USB device like this on your PlayStation 5. Now, first you have to go ahead and format this to the format exFAT and create a music folder. So let's go over my computer and just do that now, and then transfer over some songs. Now, it should pop up to you once you plug in, but if it doesn't, go to the File Explorer here on the bottom and select this. Then locate your USB drive on the left side of the screen. I know mine is the D drive, so I'm going to go ahead and select this, and this could be different for you on your computer. Now, if you're going to be importing music to sharefactory, make sure you make a sharefactory folder, and then a music folder inside of the sharefactory folder, and then place your songs in here. But in this video, it's going to be a little bit different. You have to actually have a music folder on your main page right here, where sharefactory is, in order for it to work. But first, you have to format your device to ext. So if you go to USB drive, right-click on it, go down to Format, and then go to the File System, and go to exFAT, and then go to Start. Now make sure you have the correct drive under here, otherwise you're going to be erasing all the data from a different drive. So just make sure you have the correct USB drive, and then go to Start, and it'll format that drive. So I already have mine formatted. Once you have it formatted, right-click inside the USB device, and go to New, go to Folder, and go to Rename, and go to Music. Just like that. Now go ahead and locate some music on your computer and transfer over. So I have some music under this playlist right here. This is all copyright free stuff. So let's go ahead and just select this one. And I'm going to go to Copy. Then go back to my D drive. Go to the music folder. And right click into here and go to Paste. And now it's in this folder. And I have that song in there. So I'm going to go ahead and unplug my USB device from my computer now and transfer over to my PS5. And then nothing's really going to pop up, so you really won't know if it's on. But to play the song now, press the PlayStation button, then go to the music icon right here. Then you'll see all the Spotify music under here. What you need to do is scroll on all the way to the bottom where it says Music Sources, General USB Flash Disk. Select this. Now, if you have the correct folder name, music, and any song in there, should go ahead and start playing now. So I have Unstoppable by Spence.mp3. I can go ahead and play this. Now, I do have HDCP enabled, so I won't be able to play the song when I'm recording video. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.